Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand with Art Designed Face Masks. You may not know this, but besides being a YouTube creator, I'm also a French Impressionist oil painter. I have art all over my house. And my online site is Fine Art America, and they allowed me to put my art into face masks. So I went all around my house and I chose my very favorite paintings, as well as some of my paintings that are commissions that are just available online now because they're in someone else's house, somewhere else. I am a French Impressionist painter and I've studied it for over 30 years. We're pretty deliberate with our colors, we're deliberate with our strokes. We are not going like this and going all over, okay? So you're gonna enjoy yourself and you're gonna paint now. So my art is a style of Monet, Renoir, and all my favorites. I've done a lot of still lifes, and these are on masks now. I used to teach a still life class, so I have a whole lot of still lifes. I also love landscapes. I have this bright cherry mask in yellow. That's really a yellow landscape of mustard. I have a tropical landscape, like Gauguin. This is Tahiti. I made a mask out of this piece too. I raised children on a ranch. I have pictures of them with my doggie. I thought that would be a beautiful mask. I did portraits of my kids. So if you have children, maybe one of those masks would appeal to you. I also live by the beach in Santa Barbara and have a lot of paintings of the beach. I turn those into masks. It's really nice to look at someone's face and see something really cheerful on their mask. I thought people might like that. And this is my vineyard. It's one of my favorite paintings I ever painted. So if you have friends that like wine, maybe they'd like this mask. I even had a pillow made from it. You can buy the print too. They are 2-ply cloth masks with ear loops. The ear loops are really comfortable, they're elastic. And they're one size fits all to fit on anybody's face. Easily, like that. And you can talk through them. They're basic face masks, so when you have to go somewhere and cover your face, this is what they're made for. One tip is, if you wear lipstick like me, is to put a little piece of Kleenex on the inside, because the inside is white. They're fully washable. You can order one at a time, and they come to you by regular mail. This is my website of all the different paintings I have, so pick the one you like. I've had my paintings on Fine Art America for a very long time, and when I saw these face masks come out, I was so excited, because that's the one design I hadn't seen, is face masks with fine art. So I bought a whole bunch. You look at all these, but that's just me. I'm going to be giving these away as gifts, as a hostess gift or something else. I just have a feeling that masks are going to be in fashion for quite some time. And my trick for disinfecting masks, I put it on my dashboard in my car and I rotate them, maybe one every 4 days. And I also have a UV light, and I have a video on this on my channel, in fact, and that'll clean it really quickly. So however you disinfect your masks, have at it, but just get a few. Because I'm a mask believer. I believe if we wear masks, we're going to help others around us in our community. And I also think it prevents germs from leaving you as well as things from entering you. The large droplets can't get to you if you have a mask on. The tiny ones can. Masks are just healthy for everyone. I'm not saying this is going to prevent me from getting the virus, but it's just the thing to do for our social norms right now. Even if you don't buy one of my masks, thanks for coming by and shopping with me and looking at them. It gives you some ideas in any case. I don't have any merchandise that goes with my YouTube channel, but now I have masks. It's the one thing I truly believe in. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to be notified of my next video. And let's stay really healthy in life. Let's keep making great recipes for a healthy life. See you next time. If you like this video on masks, here's my viral video on masks, and also another video that's an N95 mask. You might want to check those out too, right over here.